So today we're out in Joshua Tree National Park. This is actually my first time ever being in a national park looking at things without the thing being on fire when I was a fireman. So we're just cruising through it now, going to go check out some stuff. It's super crazy busy out here today, which is unreal, but should be a lot of fun. So let's go have some fun. Well, all the little buildings are over there. So, I mean, the actual town. It says the rules? What are the rules? Read them all to me. I know, what a bummer, huh? No drones today, that's what they said.
But you can film.
Oh, good. Yeah, that's good.
That's the upside.
That's the upside, yes.
Oh yeah. Might hold Andrew.
It might hold Andrew? Maybe.
Juniper, yeah, come on.
Yeah, go for it, dude.
Nice talking to you. Have a good weekend.
Thank you, you too, Gary.
Thank you.
Be safe.
Thank you, you too.
I know where I'm not one.
Yeah.
No. That's so cool.
Wait, look at this.
Who are these guys?
Those.
Look at them.
They're so fuzzy. They remind me. It looks like a poodle mixed with the goat.
A poodle mixed with a goat?
Yes.
He's trying to eat the wall.
You will be.
Get out right! Yeah!
Ready? She's trying to bust out.
Get down! Okay, if you stay here, I'm gonna get up. Very fast, go very fast! Yeah!
There you go, buddy.
Good job.
Awesome.
Ready? Lean to me. Ready? All right. Good job.
Nathan, you're not going.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed. Take me there, we can drive away. Oh yeah.
Hey, Brooklyn. How's it going back there? Not good? Are you becoming one with nature? Did you fall over?
No.
So you're doing okay?
Yep.
Is everything coming out okay? Brooklyn, popping a squat, getting one with nature. I love it. There's my girl.
Presents. Got dirt in my shoe.
Yeah? Okay. All right, you ready to keep going?
Okay.
All right. Let's see if I can find out where they went.
There's some road.
So, Brooke, what's your take so far on Joshua Tree National Park?
That's cool.
What have you seen right now so far that you like?
Skull Rock.
Skull Rock? Where's Skull Rock?
Right there.
Right there?
Pretty cool.
I've never really been the one who's worried. Always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. Myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from. Was asking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. That's my choice, what I need to be free. Still thinking how real love should feel, when I know that it's not about you, just me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I was made to be free. Cause I was made to be free.
This is so incredibly beautiful. I mean, I love the desert, but wow. It is beautiful out here today. Perfect weather. Just amazing day. I don't know what else to say. It's just a good time.
Take it forever.
Let's go.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Right now, right now. Get it right now, right now, right now. Get it right now, right now, right now. Get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now.
Alright. So we made it to the backside of the arches. What do you think?
It's pretty awesome up here.
Yeah,
It's beautiful.
it's getting really cool. It's starting to cool down, but it's really, really beautiful still. We're gonna go around the front.
I don't like how high this is and how many drops there are.
Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now.
Stop huffing, Tori. Stop huffing. You are a stinking addict. Why are you still huffing the plant?
Because it smells amazing.
You officially have a problem. Like, you need to go to a 12-step program at this point to get you cut off of that.
It reminds me of the river. It smells amazing.
Yeah.
It does remind me of the river.
Look, Brooklyn, you made it.
Yeah?
You made it. And you're stronger from it. Good day today? You had a good day?
It's a great day. Such a beautiful day out here.
Totally was.
So much to see and do. I cannot believe these are campsites.
I'd like to give a shout out to my my tour guide, Jimmy.
JM?
Jim Murphy. Whoop, whoop. For a great tour today. Great, solid tour.
Well, it could have been a nice view if we would have went to Keys.
I know.
It's whatever. We would have been here at the right time.
Well, it's all good, man. I mean,
Here at sunset, so there's some good shots.
So tiny.
yeah, it's all good. I'll have to come see the Keys another day then, you know?
But what a cool place to camp.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
If it was
I want to
summertime.
take you guys to go to
Hey, Drew. What's the verdict? Did you have a good day? Was it fun?
Yeah.
All right.
Don't pick that up. James? Oh, never mind. Dad, my face is numb.
That's totally normal. It's part of the experience. Your face being numb is totally part of the experience.
What?
I'm just joking with you.
That's a great.
Oh, that sunset is beautiful. Like, get even more. Look at that.